slime that goes in your tyres. Let's give it a go. So, green slime, because I'm going to be doing some off-road, punctures are definitely a lot more possible, and one way to prevent this is green slime. Now, some people rate it, some people don't. I used to have a mountain bike and I fitted green slime inner tubes and they were great. I didn't get any punctures, and I have to say before that I was getting punctures. One particular thorn bush seemed to cause me no end of troubles. I remember having 5 punctures on one tube, absolute nightmare. But after installing the slime tube, no problems whatsoever. So I'm going to assume at this stage it'll probably work for motorbikes as well. So it'll be a different video, but I'm also going to be fitting a tool tube to the bike, in which I'll be putting in spare tubes, tyre irons, gas canisters and a valve in order to inflate the tyre in emergency. All the pumps I found were just a bit too big, but I'll put that in a separate video. But I guess to prevent punctures in the first place, well, let's try out this slime, so let's get it fitted. Right, that's done. Hopefully no punctures. We shall see.